Whoa, shit! Oh, man, a fucking direwolf. Is that what that is? Go down. Oh, man. Oh, I need scrap.
Captain Corey, I'm at the site where Sergeant Anderson was last seen.
Well, if he still has it, take his militia insignia. I won't have it soiled by the stench of a traitor.
You got it. St. John out.
Kerosene. Here, now I'm getting the re-up. The real re-up. Oh, I guess not. There's nothing else in here. There's always like 100 triangles. They all look like they're right next to each other. Turn that off. Whoa. Kerosene. I need some parts though. What the fuck is that? Oh my god! Holy shit, I just jumped. And did I just get shot? Yo, that thing's definitely attacking again. Okay. Hold on. This avian flu shit. I ain't playing with bird flu, yo. Freakers are one thing. It's like a fucking Hitchcock flick out in this bitch. I'm like ducking looking at the sky. I'm so scared right now. Yo, what is that? Oh shit. I thought that was a bullet earlier. Like the graphic of a bullet. Alright. I can undo this. They tried to get me. Yo, I'm out here every day though. Can't try me. Yo, these birds are for real coming at me. Hold on. I got something for you. Wait, hold on. Is my right? Is okay. The silencer is definitely on it. Dude, I missed. Got one. Stay still. Got two. Got three.
No, he's got to be here somewhere. Where the hell is he? Okay, let's take a look around.
Well, there's dead bodies everywhere, so gotta be around here somewhere.
Okay, let's see. What's going on here? Oh shit, wolves.
Oh shit, more birds. Oh my god. Get inside, get inside, get inside. I don't want to get hit by these birds. Where were those tracks? Ooh, ooh, what's that?
Which way?
The birds got him, man. He fucked around and got hitchcocked, and then these wolves showed up.
How the hell am I gonna get my bounty?
Oh my god, is that what's going on? The wolves and the birds are working together? Wait, are those like falcons? Wolves and falcons, man, that's House Aaron and House Stark. Yo. I ain't gonna let them get me. That freaked me out. Oh my god! Yeah, he tried to get me. Thought he almost caught me slipping. Almost caught me slipping. Alright, I picked up the trail and I hear these damn birds. Where is this taking me?
Dead coyote lava cave. Hell, nothing bad can happen with a fake.
Oh, here we go. Of course.
Bastards have been ambushing
Fucking
all the
dire
supply
wolves.
runs around here, haven't you?
Yo, fuck you. I ain't scared of you. Oh. Uh-oh, I'm dead. Where you at? Where you at? Oh, he got me. Circle, 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 circle. Yeah, why do I always fuck up the triangle thing? No, 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 I don't want to do that. I don't want this shit to break. Alright. Alright. Can I fix this yet? No, because I don't have enough scrap. Oh, that was an infected wolf. That's why that thing was so vicious. Dude, there is blood everywhere. What's that?
Another Nero micro recorder. No, I'm not sure I want to listen to this.
What's in here?
Yeah, a Nero injector. Let's see.
Oh,
if this
what?
works.
Nice. What should I do? Focus, stamina, or health? I don't know why I read that backwards. Probably because focus was bigger. Let's do health. Because I don't think I've done a health one yet.
An apple a day.
I've just been doing stamina. Alright, I guess I'm supposed to be going this way. Oh my gosh, I feel like when I turn the light on, it makes shit looks way creepier. Oh my god, what was that? Nymeria? Is that you, girl? Oh no! Oh, and there goes my fucking... All I got is my knife now. I mean, I have guns and bullets, you know, but... I'm not really trying to use them. It is hard as fuck to see. Oh, did it just get me? Yo! Nuh-uh. That was terrible. Let's try that again. Oh, I need parts. That's my thing. I need scrap so I can fix this. I only have 5 pieces. Should I go look for some? Yeah. Because I can't be fighting dire wolves.
Dead coyote lava cave. Hell, nothing bad can happen with a name like that, yeah?
Yeah, I can't be fighting dire wolves with a knife. No. Come on. Really? No parts in any of those cars? Alright.
Yeah, not bad.
Come on. Give me some parts. Maybe I'll get lucky.
Bear, look out.
Oh, come on. Maybe I'll get lucky and then a bear shows up? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, it's all the way over there. Alright, alright, alright. Come on. Get in there.
Scrap.
Alright, it gave me 3. I need 2 more. These goddamn avian flu. Just keep walking, bitch. Shut up. Don't start talking. Oh my god. Come on, give me one more piece of scrap. Damn. How do I, like, disconnect that? Can I shoot it? Guess not. Wow. Fucking terrible. And here comes the bird. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh, okay. This bird needs to die. I fucked up. Oh, here we go. About to get avian flu.
Gotta be getting close.
Oh my god. I fucked up. Open. Alright, this is getting on my nerves. It turned off. Oh my god, I'm lucky. Yo. Oh my gosh. So much for trying to save bullets. If this bird hits me while doing this. Thank you. And it didn't even give me scrap after all that. Alright, well, after spending like 5 minutes looking for more scrap, I finally found a new bat and a couple, what are those little things? Saws? Those little round saws. So I'm just gonna craft one of those. Boom, there we go. A weapon for the apocalypse if I ever saw one. Now, how do I get back out? I think I gotta push this van. Or truck. Dude, just enough to get in and out. Alright. So. Back to the quest. Gotta go fight some dire wolves. Alright, 100% health. Sneak up on this little bastard. Alright, I'm not turning on my light this time. Silencer's at 48%. I don't want to draw a bunch of these bastards. There's one right there. Yo, where'd it go? Oh, I can't get through there. It's cool. As long as I have my eagle vision, I can see these bastards. So much for that. Didn't let me see it. Done. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. Dude, use the health. Yo, why is it not letting me use health? Oh, I'm gonna die. Alright, this guy. Dude, what the fuck? What is going on right now? Third time's a charm, perhaps? I don't have any of that stuff that I found. I don't think. Nope. Alright. Let's try this one more time. Definitely not opening that thing, because last time it gave me shit, and the alarm just kept going off. Boom. Pick you up. Pick you up. And make a new one. Boom. Gas don't need. Search you. Push this out of the way only a little bit so I can. Oh my god, what the fuck? I'm getting the fuck out of there. See, it did not do that last time. Dude, these birds. Oh my gosh, I keep looking around. I keep forgetting to look up in the sky. Fucking Hitchcock, man. Alright, can I save here? I can't just save. Of course not. So, I guess we're just rolling in this bitch. Where? A breaker? Dude, I'm not trying to fight one of them bitches in here. Hold on. Yeah, I'm trying to do this all tactful like, but this shit ain't working for me. Show yourselves, little wolf. Fuck. Yeah, got him. Run, 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 run. I need to bring him out here. Yeah, fuck you.
Okay, here we go.
Now it's one-on-one, bitch. You ain't so tough. What's up, motherfucker? No, 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 health. Yo. Health cocktail. Use. Where's this bastard? Got him. Oh my gosh. Dude, this little direwolf asshole fucking really did a number on me. Alright, there's another one. I saw him.
Okay.
There he is.
Okay.
There's two. Shit. Fuck you.
Get in there.
There he is. Oh, another one. Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Come on, come on, come on. Hit him. Oh my gosh. I can't save? Oh my gosh. I hear another one. There's probably a big one in here. Shit. And I'm running low on bullets. Fuck. Whew. Is that the last one?
You still got your militia armband.
Alright. So, I got to collect the bounty. Or I get to collect the bounty, even though the wolves got this asshole. Alright, so this thing right here is what the locals call a ranger, which is basically a bear who's infected and somehow always has barbed wire wrapped around it. I guess that's why it's so ornery. Oh shit, I didn't mark it. There we go. Let's mark it. So, Deke here thinks I should try to go around it. I, on the other hand, think I'm just gonna throw grenades at it until it dies. First, I'm gonna shoot it a couple times. Watch it jump or some dumb shit. Oh, what the hell? I hate when you select something and then it changes it. Oh shit, that thing should be dead. No way, fuck that. That thing should be dead. Show yourself. Oh, now it's gonna run away. And I have like no bullets. Where's my bike? Let's check the map. How far is my bike? I might be able to run to it. I want to kill that bear now. Show yourself, bitch. Come on, come on. Ooh, ooh.
Almost out.
Oh shit! It's right behind me! Run, 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 run! Where are you? Fuck. Be careful. Where is this thing? Come on, get close. So I can shoot you. Think I can get this to work? No. Dude. Come on, 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 run, run. Oh, what a waste. Oh shit. Go down. Oh my gosh, go down. Well, I just brought that.
That's it.
Alright, I got an idea. I'm gonna make a beeline for my fucking bike. Give me the bounties. Fuck that bear, I guess. I know, I want to kill that bear. Okay. I'm going back. Because I don't give a fuck. Do I care about life? Barely.
Gotta be close to a nest. Whew, I can smell it.
I'm not close to a nest. A bird nest? Like an actual nest? So why? Oh shit, yeah, look at that. I haven't seen that yet. You know what I say about Hitchcock? Fuck you. How did that tree catch on fire? What the fuck? Are they all burned? One more, I guess. Am I wasting this? Nope, there we go. Nest destroyed. Nice. That was a new one. You know what? I don't even care about that bear anymore. Oh wait, is that it? Yeah, now I do. Yay, let the bear clean up all the freakers. Then I roll in and kill the bastard. Come here, Papa Bear. Oh no 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 no. Stab him. Oh my gosh. In reality, I should be totally dead. No, not letting you get me twice. Fucking die. Is that like in him? Or is it just stuck to his hair? Fur, whatever. Why did I say that? Like someone just corrected me. Maybe you did correct me. Alright, so I'm back at camp. Let's go talk to the whatever he is. The guy that has my wife's ring. Which I guarantee this dude's fucking my wife.
Captain, I found your man, Anderson, and you were right. He still had his militia insignia.
He's dead?
Well, let's just say that he had a run-in with a pack of wolves long before I got to
He
him.
came
That's a
down
fee-in
with
for
the
a
case
murderer and
of
a
eaten
thief.
by wolves.
Yes, sir.
Thank
No
you, Corporal.
cure.
Dismissed.
Earn some more trust. Alright. Finished one of the little side story missions or whatever. I think I still have to do that thing for the colonel. Or whatever this guy's calling himself. Yeah, good soldier. Look at this dude. He looks like a Bible thumper. With a gun. Nothing worse than guns and self-righteousness, right? Alright, so I guess next time we will actually tackle this quest. Or maybe we'll do one of these other side ones. We'll see. Till then, talk to you later.